Hello everyone, this is Eric, your Revit tutor. If you want to learn more about Revit, subscribe to my channel and follow me on Facebook. Or if you have questions about Revit, flick an email to yourrevittutor@gmail.com. Okay, the question is how to add a parameter that automatically calculates the cross-sectional area of a steel beam. In this particular example, it's an I-beam. So as you can see, under the properties, we can see from the list of parameters that the section area is not driven by formula. So how are we going to create an area parameter that will calculate the cross-sectional area of the beam based on the width, the height, the flange thickness, and the web thickness that we are going to input in these spaces right here? So the first thing that we should do is to create a list in maybe Microsoft Excel, like what I did here, so that it will be easier for us to create a formula. So let's assign the height to be D, which stands for depth. But as you can see, in here, we cannot change the height because it's a built-in parameter. So what we are going to do is we will create a new parameter, which is a length, and we will assign it as D. And it's a type parameter, so let's just say OK. And we will write in the formula bar, in the formula space right here, we will write equals height, which is exactly this parameter right here. So it will be equal. And let's create another one, which is B, which stands for the width. It's also a length. All right, so it will go under dimensions. So let's click OK, and this time we will write width in the formula. All right, and next, the flange thickness, let's say TF. Click OK, and let's move this up. Okay, flange thickness is equal to flange thickness right here. Let's just copy that so it's easier. Another one, which is thickness of web, TW. Let's bring it up. Okay, and let's copy the web thickness right here. The reason why I'm doing this is because it's easier to write formulas when you only have a letter or two to write in your formula. It's really messy if you're going to write width times height times flange thickness. It will be a very long formula. So let's just reference those properties using these dimensions right here that are named with just letters, single or double letters. Now we need to know the formula for area, and the formula for area for this particular shape is this. So here's the formula for area. It's D times B minus B minus TW times D minus 2 times 2F. So basically, it's just the total area of the rectangle minus the area of the spaces. That's the basis of the computation of the area, of the cross-sectional area of the I section. So let's copy this formula, and the next thing that we are going to do is to create another parameter, and this time it should be an area. And let's put this parameter under dimensions as well, so that it will be it will appear together with the dimensions that we created, so it will be easier to see. So let's go to dimensions, and let's name it A, just A, which stands for area. Okay, area. And okay, and let's bring this downwards, and let's now paste this formula right here that we have copied, and then paste, and let's see what will happen. Okay, so it shows 0.004. Let's do it like this. Let's copy this these values here to see if it matches. I know there will be some discrepancies with regards to the units here. So that's 400, that's 300, 2020, right? 2020. No, just for checking, let's see. The answer here is 19,200. So here we have 0.021. So what could be wrong here? First, I should correct this one. It should be 300, and the depth is 400. Now it's 0.019. And the reason why it's this is small is because of the units. Now let's just click OK here, and then let's go to the units. If you don't know how to bring out this project units, you just type UN on your keyboard and it will appear. The default area is square meters, so we will change that to square millimeters, then click OK. Now let's go back to the family types properties, and let's see if it's corrected. Yeah, it's corrected. It's now 19,200. So same with this one in our Excel. It's 19,200. Now we have a family, a beam family that calculates the area, and this is for I-beam. So in the next videos we will tackle about the formula for hollow sections, like circular hollow section and rectangular or square hollow sections. Thank you for watching.